Okay, let me get my hot cocoa. It's not coffee today, it is hot chocolate. And I have all these marshmallows on the top. So good. Hello everyone, welcome back. So today's video we're doing a Stitch Fix unboxing and I'm really excited because this is my second box. My first one I really liked. It was just the prices were too expensive. Hopefully the prices in this box will be much better than last month's box. If you are here and you don't know what Stitch Fix is a styling subscription service where you go out and fill a quiz online and a profile. Once you have completed that, you will get a personal stylist who chooses clothing items that will best fit your profile and your taste. I believe my personal stylist's name is Rachel. So Rachel's the one who styles all my clothes. You can choose to do the month-to-month box, which is what I am doing right now. This is only my second box, so you are in charge of when you get a box. So you just pay a $20 styling fee that goes towards any clothing item in the box. The only thing is that you don't get that $20 back if you decide not to get anything in the box. So just keep that in mind. And if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to subscribe if you love makeup, beauty, and lifestyle videos because I do upload Mondays and Fridays at 2. I do have scissors this time because I really struggled with the first box and trying to get it open. So first thing we have the return envelope, just like the first box. And we also have the envelope, which I always save this till the end because I don't want to know what I got right off the bat. I like opening it up and then seeing it. I'm going to go ahead and take it out of the box. Ooh, this looks fun. The first item is this adorable sweater. Oh, it has like little scallops at the bottom of the sweater. That is super cute. And this is from the brand Hinqui. I have no idea. It's called the Lily Cropped Scallop Hem Pullover. This is in their shade Gold and it is in the size medium. This looks like really nice quality. It feels really nice. I don't know how much it is. I'm going to wait to look at prices to the end of the video because I don't want to know right away. I like the neckline on this. That's going to be really comfortable. It's almost like the neckline that I have with this sweater. So yeah, I really like that. That's really cute. I could see this being like an essential in my wardrobe. Can always use an extra sweater. Let's go ahead and pull out the next item. Oh boy. So next we have this really pretty simple white blouse. And I could see how this could be really cute for layering with sweaters. I can always use another white shirt. I'm always wearing white. That is one of my favorite colors. And the quality of this feels really nice. So we shall see. This is from the brand Daniel Rain. Never heard of that brand. And it is the size medium. I really like that keyhole in the back with the little bow. That's super cute. Could definitely see myself wearing this too. Ooh. What is this? I'm really confused. Oh, okay. So this is like a blazer slash sweater. A Milani knit tunic blazer. This is in the color olive and it's a medium. And it has little pockets right here. I always like my pockets. It's really cute. I love the color too. I could always use another olive shade, especially for this time of the year. Ooh, so next we have this adorable scarf. Oh, it's from the brand Girly. That's cute. This is a Knit Infinity scarf in the shade Mustard. This is definitely my color. Oh, how adorable is that? I really like this. So next, oh, wasn't expecting that. we have blue corduroy pants. And these feel like really good quality. Like, really good quality. Let's see, what brand is this? Hampton Skinnies. I do not own a pair of blue corduroy pants. In fact, I don't think I own any blue pants. They are blue. I hope you can tell that these are blue. I'm actually like, I'm kind of liking these. Okay, so now I need to try all of these on before I look at the price tags. Alright, so here's the shirt, or not shirt, sweater, and I really like where it falls on me. It's not too short, it's not too long, very nice. I love this hem, it's really cute and it's just very flattering, especially for a tall girl. I don't think that it really goes with these boots. So she said to like pair it with one of my favorite boots and just like a pair of distressed jeans. So that's what I did. I feel like I need a brown pair of boots or something. These are one of my favorite boots to wear, but with these stripes, I don't know if it really goes. So let me get you a nice close-up. It does fit really nice. It's long enough for my very long arms. So yeah, I really like this, especially for the first outfit. I like the color of it too. And I feel like it goes really well with distressed jeans. These are my very faithful American Eagle long jeans. So let me know what you think of this first one. Next I took that really pretty, I even wore a white bra with it. So you know what? I tried. But this is the white shirt and it's really comfortable and I really like how it lays on me. I think this will look better with the blazer, but I do like it with these boots. This is just like a nice casual outfit and this shirt kind of like dresses it up. So I do like that. I don't know if you can see the back, but the string is like in the back. So I feel like that really slimmed me down a lot. I really like how this is laying on me. And the color of this blazer is really pretty. It's like a really pretty dark olive green. I feel like I could find so many uses for that. I think it's like really nice and slimming. And it looks really cute with this blouse. I'm kind of leaning towards no on the blouse because I already have a white shirt kind of like this. It is very nice, like it does feel very luxurious and good quality. But I'm liking the whole vibe of this outfit though. Let me see, can I brighten this up? There we go, you can see me. It is a little bit tight on my shoulder. I'm not sure if my shoulders are just very broad or what, but I do like how this looks on me. I don't know, we'll have to see what the price says on this one. Can't be too bad. Alright, so here are the jeans, or not the jeans, they're like corduroy. And I really like the blue. And I just popped on the sweater that I was wearing in my video, and guys, I really like these. They're really comfortable, and I don't have anything like this. They're not too skinny so that they're annoying. Yeah, I really like these. We shall see. They come up to a nice, pleasant length, and what's that? Okay, I don't know what that is. But I do like where these sit on me. They're really comfortable and they literally fit me perfectly. So, what's the brand again? Edison. Really like these. And I like it with this gray. And do you guys know how hard it is for me to find jeans that fit me right? Like, it's hard. So, I keep on saying jeans, but they're actually corduroy. You guys see that? Definitely a corduroy material. And they're super soft. Alright, so last thing, I've got this adorable infinity scarf. I'm really liking the colors. I mean, how cute is that? And especially with these corduroy pants, I'm really, really liking this a lot. I don't know, I might fall for this scarf. Really, really like the colors, and it would go perfect with my coat. Let me show you. This coat right here. In fact, you know what? Let me try it on. This was my go-to coat. Let's see. Okay, that is so cute together. How could I not get this? What do you guys think? Should I get this? It feels really, really soft too. So I've just gone and put this scarf on with another outfit with my leather leggings, my little tennis shoes, and my And Other Stories oversized sweater, and my little hat. And I'm really liking this outfit, so I'm thinking yes on the scarf. I really like it. Do you like this outfit, Paul?
I do. You're keeping the scarf?
I might keep the scarf.
¿Cuánto cuesta?
I don't know. I haven't looked at the prices yet.
Okay, well, how easy to tell you.
I like how it looks with the hat, though.
Me too, looks good.
It's super cute.
Look at her. Oh, Poochie.
I'm gonna go walk my Poochie. That's my dog, for those of you who don't know. Now it's time to go check the prices. Alright, so the first item, this blouse, is $68 from Daniel Rain. It does feel like it's really good quality, so I do understand like that price. We shall see on that. I'm not going to decide on anything in this video right now. I'll probably talk it over with my husband and figure out what I should keep. Alright, so the next item we have the Lily Cropped Scallop Hem Pullover. And this is it, right? Yes. This is $44. So that's pretty reasonable. This feels like really great quality too. So that is a very big possibility. I actually really, really like this. Yeah, so we'll see. We'll see. I might keep this one. I might not. This tunic blazer in olive, which looks very stunning. I really like how this looked on me. But this is $88. So I don't know, guys. That's pretty pricey for one clothing item. So I don't know. And this is from the brand French Mauve. I don't know. We'll see. Maybe I'll let you guys know in the description box what I decide to keep. Alright, so the Infinity Scarf by the brand Girly is $38. So that is a little bit pricey, but this is really good quality and I love the color selection. I don't know. The Edison Hampton Skinny Corduroy jeans are $68. So I do understand that for a good pair of corduroy jeans, my size too, like that's really hard to come by, like for tall girls. I'm telling you, it's a struggle. I'll let you guys know what I decide to keep, but $68 for a good pair of pants and jeans is not a bad price. I feel like that is a reasonable price. With the 25% discount and the styling fee towards the box, it would be a total of $209. So I did get quite a few clothing items, so I don't feel like that's totally unreasonable. I feel like that still is a little bit up there, but I do like the options in this box, and I feel like there are definitely going to be some things that I'll pick and choose, but I really like Rachel as my stylist. She does a good job of understanding my closet. I'm really surprised, like that's really cool. My closet is lacking in pants. I really need to figure out my right size in pants because it is difficult. All you tall ladies out there, In fact, all ladies out there understand. I'm sure you all can relate to me. So guys, that is everything in my Stitch Fix unboxing. I really enjoyed this second box. I really like my personal stylist. I think it's really cool. I hope you guys have a wonderful Saturday, or I'm sure this is up on a Monday, so I hope you guys are having a wonderful Monday. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you in my next video.